Concussions are a growing health concern, but they don't have to be. The Complete Concussion Management System empowers all those involved to safely get an athlete back to activity. How does it work? Trained healthcare practitioners provide timely and effective care. Educated coaches, trainers, and teachers recognize and report injuries. And parents and athletes follow step-by-step recovery protocols. Connecting them through app-based technology improves communication, adherence, and tracking. When a concussion occurs, sideline personnel upload details of the concussion when it happens. Alerts notify people with an interest in that athlete, enabling a timely assessment with a trained healthcare practitioner. During recovery, healthcare practitioners receive regular updates on symptoms. Teachers get suggested academic accommodations, and coaches know when athletes can return to practice or gameplay. With proper guidance and management, an athlete can fully recover and safely return to sport. Concussions cannot be prevented, but with the right approach, we can achieve a world where concussions are no longer deemed a public health issue. See how we can help at CompleteConcussions.com.